So we are very happy. It was a by-election, a very tough election. One of the first times I have faced by-election in the 30 years of my married life. So I'm very happy that we could retain the Congress seat in Davangere, which was consistently won by my father-in-law for the past 6 times. So very happy indeed.
What's the future plan for the Davangere?
See, first of all, the kind of work Appaji has done, especially in terms of road and providing good healthcare facilities, the basic amenities which were being provided to the poor people. In continuation with the work, definitely the people of Davangere South are expecting more benefits in terms of in education sector. They require colleges and even higher medical care facilities as well, and Samarth will continue with those works.